Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to discuss exercise of lesson number 9, R3, written by David Harmer. Students, let's begin with the part A, understanding the poem. Complete the summary of the poem by filling in the blanks with appropriate words. A tree takes a long time to grow. For many years, the trunk of the tree pushes the sky to grow higher and higher. The branches grow long, as if they were stretching their arms and reaching out with their wooden fingers. With every year, the seasons change, and the tree leaves also change from green to yellow and then from yellow to green. Since the time of the speaker's grandfather's father, there had been an elm outside his school whose shadow could be seen across the playground. The speaker felt sad when this tree was chopped off by some men within 10 minutes. Like the students, try to complete part A in your box. Now, beta, let's move on to the part C. The poet has used some imaginative metaphors and beautiful similes in the poem. In the table given below are some extracts from the poem. Nobita mention whether the extract is a simile or a metaphor. So students, let's begin with the extract. So many years of pushing the sky. Students, it's a metaphor. Long branches stretch the arms. Again, metaphor students. Reach out with their wooden fingers. It's again metaphor. Years drift by, fall like leaves. Now students, it is a simile. Okay students, like these students, try to complete part A and C in your books. Now beta, let's move on to the next part. What do the arms in line 3 refer to? Students, the arms refer to the branches of the tree. Okay, then students, next one. What do wooden fingers in line 4 refer to? Beta, wooden fingers refer to the twigs of the tree. Okay, next one beta. Bring out the contrast between the beginning and the ending of the poem. Yes, beta, in the beginning of the poem, the poet says that it takes so many years for a tree to grow. But students, in the end of the poem, he sadly describes that it takes only 10 minutes to cut the tree down. Like the students, try to complete part B also. Let's move on to the horse part. What does the poet want to convey by saying it took 10 minutes? Discuss with your partner. The poet wants to convey that creation is a tedious process, means we can say very long and slow process. But destruction is very easy. Destruction is an easy process. किसी भी चीज को बेटा destroy करना it's very easy. Okay. A tree takes long time to grow. Taking care of it can be slightly difficult as it needs continuous attention and care. But it takes only few minutes to cut it down. Now students, people cut down trees recklessly that hurts the poet so much. Now beta, let's move on to the part B. The poet has mentioned many phrases and words in the poem telling that it takes long for a tree to grow. Discuss. Better you can discuss with your parents or with your friends also. The poet has used the following phrases, students, but so many years of pushing the sky, like years drift by, fall like leaves, from green to yellow, then back to green. Okay, students, all these phrases indicate that it takes years of hard work for a seed to become a tree. Okay, beta. Now, students, let's move on to the life skills part. Imagine that you adopted a plant in your school or near your house. Write 5 things you would do to help it grow into a strong big tree. Now, students, here you can write on your views. Okay, for example, students, you can write down like this, beta. I shall water the plant daily. Okay, um, I shall ensure that it gets proper manure, etc. I shall protect it from stray animals. Okay, I shall also ensure that other children do not harm it. Like this, students, you can write down your views. Okay, here, students, you can write down as per your wish. Now, students, let's move on to the next part. Let's move on to the values part. You have observed that vast stretches of grassland that were the lungs of your town have been converted into concrete jungles. Now, students, discuss with your partner the possible consequences of this cruel activity. Consequences means students कि क्या इसका result रहा, क्या इसका effect रहा. The consequences may be dangerous. बेटा जो इसके result है वो बहुत dangerous हो सकती है. Trees are important not only for human beings but also for animals. The wild animals may enter the town and harm the citizens. So we should take care of parks and grasslands of our town. Now beta, let's move on to the writing skill part. On the occasion of one Mahotsav, prepare a speech to be delivered in the morning assembly on the topic Save Trees, Save Life. Yes, students, here beta you have to write down a speech on topic, students, Save Trees, Save Life. Okay. Now students, in the very first line, while writing speech, beta जब हम speech write कर रहे हैं बेटा तो very first line हमें क्या write करना है? Good morning. Then beta in next line, respected principal, or beta you can write down honorable principal. Both are correct. Okay. Honorable principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I ABC. ABC हमने यहाँ क्यों write करा बेटा? बिकॉज बेटा हमें हेडिंग में कोई भी नेम गिवन नहीं है. बेटा अगर हम हेडिंग में कोई भी नेम गिवन होता है हमें तो बेटा हमें वही नेम राइट करना होता है. और बेटा अगर हमें कोई भी नेम गिवन नहीं है हेडिंग में देन वी हैव टू राइट डाउन आई ए बी सी. ओके, वी कैन राइट डाउन आई ए बी सी. टुडे आई ए बी सी वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्रेस माई व्यूज़ ऑन द टॉपिक. नाउ बेटा हमें टॉपिक अनाउंस करना होता है कि हम कौन से टॉपिक पे जो है स्पीच दे रहे हैं. लाइक सेव ट्रीज, सेव लाइफ. बेटा जो भी टॉपिक जो है स्पीच के लिए बेटा उस टॉपिक का नेम आपको यहाँ पर राइट करना होता है. और बेटा वो आपको इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में राइट करना है, ध्यान रखना. ओके, इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में. बेटा दीज 4 लाइन्स आर कंपल्सरी. जब भी बेटा आप स्पीच राइट करो तो 4 लाइन्स आपको कंपल्सरी, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस. ओके, वेन एवर स्टूडेंट्स वी राइट स्पीच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिव introduction. Okay, बेटा first paragraph should include salutation to all, like respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I ABC would like to express my views on the topic Save Trees, Save Life. Then students, we can write down like this beta. Trees are the best friends of human beings. They are very helpful in fighting the problem of environmental pollution. Our life depends upon trees. And moreover, we are alive because of these trees, as they provide us with large amount of oxygen. As we know the importance of these trees, बेटा जब हमें पता है कि trees हमारे लिए इतने ज़्यादा important हैं, as we know the importance of these trees, then students, is it right to cut them in large number? तो बेटा क्या ये सही है कि हम उनको इतने large scale पर जो है काट देते हैं? And plant not a just one. How would we feel, students, if someone cuts down the veins of our lungs, chops them down? Wouldn't we die? Isn't it the same, students, with our earth when we cut down its lungs? The forest, our country, is very beautiful, beta, and can remain safe if people here start thinking about the precious gifts of God. And moreover, students, for the development of our country, we need to maintain such resources. So students, in last conclusion, we should not cut down trees recklessly. Still there is time. अभी मेरे पास बहुत time है students. So let's start planting trees from today. On all important days of our life, we should plant at least one tree. Important days means like जैसे बेटा आपका बर्थडे है तो आप बर्थडे पे जो है इसको कर सकते हो. वी शुड प्लांट एटलीस्ट वन ट्री ऑन दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट डे. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स ऑल मस्ट रिमेंबर ईच वन plant one. And last, students, write down thanks and have a nice day. Okay, it's a formal thanks to audience. You can write down thanks, or beta you can write down thanks and have a nice day. Okay, we have a compulsory beta you have to write down last thanks also. Okay students, Now beta, I hope that all of you have understood this well. Now students, complete part A and C in your books and do remaining work in your English Fair notebook. Okay students, that's all for today beta. Thanks and have a nice day.